So I saw in recent news, they recently announced that they're going to be doing a remake of Lilo and Stitch, which of course takes place in Hawaii and actually prominently features surfing as an activity in there. So I just wanted to ask, how likely do you think you are to get some guest spots in that, being representatives of both the sport and Hawaii?
Well, I'm not really too sure. I'm not too sure. Yeah.
Well, I think they casted everybody.
Yeah.
Hey, let's get a campaign going.
I saw they were doing like a live action Moana, and I was like, "See, you have to get in that."
Yeah,
But I think it's like too late already. But I keep trying to tell her like to get into acting and like all of that stuff. So I'm trying to manage her, but like it's hard because I don't have any contacts or anything.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to get her to like do more things like that because I'm just gonna keep following her.
No, I'm gonna keep following her.
So-
It's never too late, right, Disney? And Rex Tiumalu, if you're watching this, we got some surfers here for the live action